Hi everyone, I'm Sharon Mudgett with Salon Innovations. Are you looking for a new way to restore softness, strength, and smoothness to the hair? I want to introduce you to the Solutions by Great Clips Split End Mender. Now, if you or your customers are frustrated with dry, frayed, or damaged ends, this lightweight leave-in treatment is a simple way to protect and maintain healthy-looking hair between trims. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that you're never going to miss out on our future product bites, stylist tips, or salon insights that I'm sure it's going to help you stay confident behind the chair. Now, as stylists, split ends are one of the most common concerns that we hear from our customers. Whether it's caused by heat styling, chemical service, brushing, or everyday stress, ends can start looking dry, dull, or frizzy quickly. This split end mender helps solve that. This nourishing formula smooths the cuticle and helps reduce the visible signs of damage, leaving hair looking and feeling softer and healthier. Formulated with arginine, a building block for keratin and supports collagen production, Split End Mender helps strengthen the hair and protects it from breakage. This product also smooths and seals damaged ends, adds shine and improves manageability. It increases elasticity and flexibility. It reduces frizz and breakage from brushing. It helps to protect hair from daily stressors. It works without leaving any kind of buildup or weighing the hair down. This is a great option for customers who want to extend the life of their style between salon visits. Here's how to use this incredible product. Begin by pumping a small amount into your hands and working it through damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to the ends. This is where split ends and dryness tends to show up the most. You can also apply a small amount to dry hair to smooth frizz and refresh the look of the ends between washes. Now please note, Split End Mender is not meant to be used as a cutting aid because it could harm your tools. Let your customers know that there's no need to rinse this product out. This is a leave-in treatment that works well under other styling products. Now after applying this product, style as usual by blow drying or air drying depending on the look. While applying, explain the Split End Mender is ideal for customers who use heat tools regularly, are growing their hair out, or want to stretch the time between trims without sacrificing softness or shine. For even better results, suggest starting with a foundation of the Solutions nourishing shampoo and conditioner for your customers, and remind them that while Split End Mender helps improve the look and feel of their ends, regular trims are still essential for maintaining healthy hair. Solutions by Great Clips Split End Mender gives your customers a simple and easy way to smooth, protect, and improve the appearance of their ends at home. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like, clicking the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out on what we're uploading next. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay confident, stay creative, and keep styling.